An agent is anything that can perceive its environment through sensors and acts upon that environment through effectors. A human agent has sensory organs such as eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, parallel to the sensors and other organs such as hands, legs, mouth for effectors. A robotic agent replaces cameras and infrared rangefinders for the sensors and various motors and actuators for effectors. A software agent has encoded bit strings as its programs and actions. The environment has multifold properties. Discrete or continuous. An environment is said to be discrete if there are a finite number of actions that can be performed within it. For examples, a game of chess or checkers where there are a set number of moves are discrete environment. Observable or partially observable. A fully observable AI environment has access to all required information to complete target task. Like chess, the board is fully observable, so are the opponent's moves. A partially observable system is one in which the entire state of the system is not fully visible to an external sensor. Like a card game in which some of the cards face down into a pile. Static or dynamic. If the environment does not change while an agent is acting, then it is static. Otherwise, it is dynamic. A roller coaster ride is dynamic as it is set in motion and the environment keeps changing every instant. Single agent or multiple agents. An environment consisting of only one agent is said to be a single agent environment. A person left alone in a maze is an example of the single-agent system. The game of football is multi-agent as it involves 11 players in each team. Accessible or inaccessible. If an agent can obtain complete and accurate information about the state's environment, then such an environment is called an accessible environment, else it is called inaccessible. An empty room whose state can be defined by its temperature is an example of an accessible environment. Deterministic or stochastic. If the next state of the environment is completely determined by the current state and the actions of the agent, then the environment is deterministic. Otherwise, it is stochastic. There would be only a few possible moves for a coin at the current state, and these moves can be determined, but the actions of a self-driving car are not unique, it varies time to time. Episodic or non-episodic. Episodic is an environment where each state is independent of each other. So agent current action can change all of the future states of the environment. An AI that looks at radiology images to determine if there is a sickness is an example of an episodic environment. One image has nothing to do with the next.